All right. Settings. Name. So this is going to be organic mascara. This is the path. This is the domain. Go down, save. And then you go to thank you. Do the exact same thing. Publishing. Funnel step name. Organic mascara. Thank you. Change the path. Organic mascara. Thank you. Update. See how it changed? Go back here. Publishing. Change the funnel step name. Organic mascara. Change the path. Organic mascara. Update. And the names are done. Now we edit the page. Okay, now to integrate the Aweber settings, integrations, Aweber, integrate existing form, add to ebook subscriptions. Okay, now that's integrated. And we come down here. You gotta edit this so it doesn't, so it's all on one side. And right here, see how it says natural black mascara still. You want to go and edit that to this for the best-selling hyaluronic acid serum. Oops. Serum. Okay. Well, that's done. So we're going to save this. Now we're going to go back. And now you are going to add products to it. So you have the mascara. So add product. Organic black mascara. We're going to do stripe. Plus $13.99. $13.99. One time. Natural organics. Natural mascara. Go to fulfillment email. Go to Pasture Organics. Email. Whatever. Ebook. Shipping. Shopify. Integration. Natural mascara. Create product. Okay, now I gotta do order bump. So this one is going to be hyaluronic acid serum. Stripe. $9.99.
Not like we talk all that much.
Yes, it's the order bump. That's your working. Doesn't work right. No. 0. Now we do the same thing. Fulfillment email. Put your organics. Email Aweber. Existing form. Ebook.
I was going to ask if you thought that was reasonable or not.
And hire the product. Great product. And you are done.